After you cut the old glue down to a thin layer all around, you want to clean the frame area where you're gonna apply new glue. Clean the dust off so the new glue can bond well with the layer, the thin layer on the frame, the edges. You want to clean off the dust. In areas like this, where there's metal showing, you might want to apply a little bit primer to prevent rust in the future. So we're applying the glass right now. Put a suction cup and blue tape over it. So once you apply the glass, you can tape it temporarily until the glue dries. Once you apply the glass, press it down to bond with the new glue. Oh, it fits perfect.